They told me I only can have 4 surgeries. They told me that I could be treated with chemo and radiation. They talked about taking my voice box. They talked about giving you different ways that you'd be able to speak, feeding tubes, and then I'm like, whoa.
Warren's a complicated man.
Look at him, he don't care, look at him, he just
He's full of energy. Family is very important to him. Work is very important to him. He's just fun. He makes this house light up.
Did you go in? My name is Warren Nyan, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Quality and Regulatory for AngioDynamics. Currently, I have control of all of the quality of our medical device products, all the regulatory aspects that go with getting product approvals, and then I have all med affairs that deals with all the clinical side of the interactions with devices, the interactions with patients. When I look at why I went into medical devices and exactly why quality and regulatory, I guess, became my forte, it all really starts with I'm a clinician. I'm a registered nurse. My job is to work with the ELT members, but also more importantly, the most important thing is to work with our manufacturing folks, people that are at our plants that make our products, to make sure that we get out a product that is safe, effective. We get a look at healthcare and what our devices do as we treat patients, as we diagnose patients, as we rehab patients, and all the different ways that our products go into them. There's still one word that comes out, and that's safety. I thought I knew everything. I was a nurse, I treated patients, I understood that. I made these products, I knew what they had, I knew what was good, what wasn't. Never in a million years did I think I was going to become that patient.
His first surgery, didn't think of it. He questioned what they were using maybe during his second surgery. His third surgery, he would point out to me at every doctor's visit, oh, this is what this does, this is what this does. I think he was nervous. He would just say, explain to me what each one of these products does, but I never really gave it a thought. This last time they told us that this was an incurable thyroid cancer, and no endocrinologist has ever told us that before.
10 years ago, I'm diagnosed with a form of thyroid cancer. The cancer that I had metastasized to my lymph nodes. Completely take out about 38 different lymph nodes that were full of cancer. And they look at you and they say, hey, have your checks every 6 months and we'll go from there.
So this is his 4th endocrinologist. She finally said, this is incurable. It won't kill you, but it's incurable.
Her dealing with the fact, they tell you to, get your will now, get your life in order, get your documents in order. Just strange things that I didn't think of in the past 10 years ago. I didn't.
When my children were younger, we protected them from it. It used to just be Warren and I, and then they were separate, and I would keep them out of it. Now it's the 4 of us together on this journey.
Now it's the 3rd time. Then they tell you that they can't treat you anymore after a certain amount of time, and you have an incurable form of cancer, and we just looked at each other and laughed. And as crazy as that sounded, we were like, of course, I can't just do anything, right? The idea of treating a patient, treating myself, looking at what I do for my medical device company, that gets me up every day. They told me I only can have 4 surgeries. They told me that I could be treated with chemo and radiation. How do they know we're not going to have products that come out? And I sit there every day, and that's my passion right now. My passion is to get out there and get safe, effective products to people, patients like myself, that otherwise couldn't get them. Patients that are told that their treatment is only a certain way. They don't. Being innovative is one thing. Being part of a patient's in myself's continuum of care, that's something that is just actually makes me get up every day, and it's just a powerful feeling that I have.